Hi everyone, it's Femi Olaniyan here, and in this video, I'll be sharing with you the top 5 crypto trading apps to make money. So whether you are new to crypto trading or you're a professional trader, these apps will give you the tools to level up your crypto portfolio and to maximize your profit in crypto. Also, these apps are crypto trading apps that gives you multiple options to make money, from spot trading to futures trading to staking, crypto savings, dual asset investment, liquidity mining, and so much more. Before going into the full details of these apps, if you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Femi Olaniyan and I make videos on crypto, personal finance, and how to make money online. So if you love content like this, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and please like this video. Thank you. Now to the top 5 crypto trading apps to make money. Number 1, you have BYBIT. Now, BYBIT has been my favorite crypto app recently, and I love the app because it is an app made for any beginner in the crypto space. And BYBIT has quickly risen to the top due to its large user base and low trading fees. For those of you that don't know, BYBIT started with a focus on derivatives trading, where traders can engage in futures trading and make very high amount of profit, but they've expanded their services into spot trading, staking, and DeFi options, making it much more than just a derivatives exchange app. And one of the most attractive features on BYBIT is their copy trading system. Now, this is where you can literally copy the trades of top performing traders on the app. So if you are still learning crypto trading, or you just want to make money with crypto trading but don't have the time, then crypto trading feature on BYBIT is for you. And they also have the trading bots feature, and all of these features are built for beginners in the crypto space to make money. Now, aside all this, another way to make money on BYBIT is the BYBIT Earn, where you can earn passive income with BYBIT savings, dual asset investment, and liquidity mining. These features on BYBIT Earn is for you if you only want to invest in crypto and make passive income for yourself without having to learn crypto trading. Now, I have videos on how to make money with all of these features on BYBIT. I'll put the links to these tutorials in the description below. And don't let us forget the BYBIT Rewards Hub. Here you can earn bonuses for completing tasks like making your first deposit or referring your friends. And you can always check your Rewards Hub page daily to check for new tasks. And if you want to create a BYBIT account, you can use my referral link in the description below. Now, number 2, we have Bitget. Now, I started using Bitget app around 2021 or 2022, and I left it because I was using so many crypto apps. But recently, I started using the Bitget app, and it's now one of my favorite crypto apps. Bitget is another crypto platform that focuses heavily on copy trading. Bitget allows you to copy the trades of professional traders, so even if you are not an expert, you can follow someone on Bitget who is an expert and still make money. But that is not all. They also have futures trading, which is specifically made for beginners. So if you're a beginner in futures, the Bitget app is definitely for you. Now, the beauty of the Bitget app is its easy to use interface and wide range of trading pairs. And Bitget copy trading feature has a really intuitive layout showing you detailed performance metrics for top traders, so you can choose wisely who to follow. And on top of that, Bitget regularly run trading competitions and giveaways where you can earn extra bonuses for yourself. Another way to make money on Bitget is through staking with Bitget Earn. Now, you can stake popular assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other stable coins to generate passive income with flexible or fixed savings. And if you're a fan of lower risk investments, staking your assets on Bitget is an excellent way to earn passive income for yourself. For number 3, you have Binance. Now, Binance is undoubtedly one of the top crypto apps in the world right now, and it is used by millions of users in the world. Now, I've been using the Binance app for over 5 years now, and I really enjoy the app because it is simple to use, and the fact that it also gives the users multiple ways to make money on the app. And Binance is a global powerhouse, and there is a good reason for that. Whether you're a beginner or a professional trader, Binance has something for everyone. Now, just like the other apps I've mentioned in this video, Binance gives you the access to multiple features on the app to make money. You can make money with spot trading, futures trading, and you can earn passive income in different ways on the app. You can earn passive income on Binance through Binance savings, where you have locked savings and flexible savings, and you also have dual asset investment. And you can choose flexible savings, which lets you withdraw your crypto at any time, or lock up your funds for a set period of time with the locked savings. And if you're interested in more advanced investment on Binance, then you can go into liquidity mining or dual asset investment. And another way you can make money on Binance is with the copy trading feature, where you can copy top traders, and you also have the trading bot feature where you can set up a bot to trade for you. Now, I have tutorials on how you can make money with all of these features that I've mentioned. Again, I'll put the links to these videos in the description below. Also, on the Binance app, we have a massive selection of coins that you can trade or invest in. And trading on the Binance app comes with very low trading fees. So Binance app remains the top crypto app for traders and investors. And if you have an account on Binance, you can use my referral link in the description below. For number 4, you have KUCOIN. Now, this is another top tier exchange that is famous for its wide selection of altcoins and its focus on community-driven features. Now, if you are someone who loves to explore newer cryptocurrencies, then KUCOIN app is for you. Now, the app offers access to hundreds of smaller market cap coins that you won't find on most exchanges, and it gives you a chance to invest in these coins before they go up in price. Now, KUCOIN also has its own passive income section called KUCOIN, where you can stake or lend your crypto to earn daily interest. Now, what's particularly exciting about this is their crypto lender feature, where you can lend your idle cryptocurrencies to other traders who need margin loans. And then in return, you earn daily interest, which can be pretty significant depending on the demand. Now, this is another great way to earn passive income with your crypto on KUCOIN. Also, on the KUCOIN app, you'll find the KUCOIN trading bot, and this was the main reason why I actually started using KUCOIN. The feature allows you to automate your trading based on your preference. So whether you want a simple great trading strategy or you want something more complex, the trading bot feature on KUCOIN makes it easy to make profit even if you are not actively trading. It is perfect for both beginners and even professional traders. And if you want to watch tutorials on these also, I have videos on them. The links will be in the description below. For number 5, you have the Luno app. Now, the Luno app is one of the most popular crypto apps out there. Luno has made a name for itself by offering a beginner-friendly platform that makes it super easy for traders to buy and sell and store crypto. Now, Luno allows users to deposit funds directly from their bank account, making it one of the best choices for anyone looking to get started with crypto. And one of the highlights of crypto is its simplicity. The app is designed for ease of use, which is perfect for a lot of beginners who may find other exchanges too complex. And you can buy popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum on the app. Luno also has a built-in wallet where you can store your crypto securely. Now, aside from trading or buying crypto on Luno, they also offer a Luno savings wallet where you can earn interest on your Bitcoin holdings or other cryptocurrencies and make passive income for yourself. Also, on Luno app, you get educational resources that you can use to learn about crypto. So if you're a beginner in crypto, you can learn the basics before you go into the market. So there you have it. These are the top 5 crypto apps to make money for yourself: BYBIT, Bitget, Binance, KUCOIN, and Luno. Each of these apps brings something unique to the table, whether it's high leverage trading, copy trading, trading bot, staking rewards, and ease of use. You'll find all of these apps useful. And remember, crypto can be risky, so always do your research before you go in. And these platforms offer different ways to make money, and it is important that you trade responsibly and keep a well-balanced portfolio. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and hit the subscribe button also, and let us know in the comment section which of these apps are you currently using and which one will you want to use later in the future. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.